Hi everyone, today is your exam time, so take your notebook and pen. Just move into my exam. Write every step first, then follow along with me. This will improve your practical makeup skills. Before makeup, always identify skin tone and skin type. My model has medium skin tone and dry skin. Today, we will start with eye makeup first. I'm applying a thin layer of eye base. Always keep the layer thin to avoid creasing.
This helps beginners achieve perfect liner shape.
Blend the base smoothly using a sponge. I'm starting with a light brown shade. Blend it evenly into the crease area. Focus on smooth transitions.
Apply white base to enhance color payoff.
Green is our main color for today's look. Apply green mainly on the eyeball area. Highlight the inner corner to make eyes pop. Add dark brown to the outer corner for depth. I always use beige on the inner corner. Highlighting the brows makes the eyes look bigger. Diamond pigment adds extra sparkle to the eyes. Now, we will create the perfect wing liner. Carefully apply the gel liner along the lash line.
Lock the gel liner with liquid liner for a perfect wing.
Apply mascara to lift and define your lashes. Mix two foundations to match the skin tone perfectly. Blend to the rancidity. Apply the foundation evenly for a smooth base.
Apply concealer to brighten under the eyes.
Set your base with powder for a flawless finish. Add blush for a healthy, glowing look. Apply highlighter to enhance your facial features. Finish with lip gloss for a fresh, elegant look.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.